It's a proverb.
Part 2.
Like father, like son.
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 Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Count your chickens before they're hatched.
Okay. Well, let's not count our chickens before they hatch.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words.
But actions speak louder than words.
Well, actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than...
Actions speak louder than...
Actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words, I guess.
Actions speak louder than words. Take care of it. Actions speak louder than words. Take care of it.
What goes around comes around.
What goes around comes around.
This is so...
What goes around comes around.
What goes around comes around.